Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our journal junk. We have the sack, the box, and the Kids Creative. Let's get into it and check it out. If you are new to journal junk, sack, box, the Kids Creative, it is a lifestyle journaling, crafting, scrapbooking, I keep notes and I'd like something fun to do it in each month type of situation. The sack is just a smaller version of the box. We'll start with the sack. It comes like this. The stack is $27.99 per month, but of course if you take it out over 6 or 12 months, you can bring the price down on that. And it's basically just like the journal junk box. It's just a smaller version. When we take it out of our bag each month, we have our little bubble wrap package. This should be spring. I'm so excited. It's March. Yay, it's March. I am taping this on Tuesday. On Saturday, we just did our spring forward. I know. Everybody's like, oh, I'm so sad. I missed that extra hour of sleep. I wish that I were the type of person where missing that hour of sleep would matter to me. It does not. The type of person I am, though, is the type of person that loves that extra hour of daylight at the other end of the day. Love it. It makes me so happy. It makes me almost giddy, like it's so bright and sunny outside. It's hard for me not, I have a window right here. It's hard for me to not just be like, okay, exactly my point. Back to what we're doing here. We have, oh look, we have a journal prompt and card in our journal junk sack we don't usually have. Woodland Wonders March. And then we have 4 journal prompts. And then on the back, it just tells us a little bit about what's in the box and the value. In the sack and the value. Just the journal junk card, which that gives you all of their socials. If you want to stop the video for a second and screen cap that. And then right on top, we have some ephemera. Bo Bunny Brighton, 40 pieces of embellishments. Little wildflower. Oh, they're so cute. So it's little wildflower on top. On the inside, we have birdies and flowers. Here is a better picture of everything that's in there. You can tape it with regular tape or with 3D stickers that'll make it pop into your journals, into your scrapbooking. If you make cards, any kind of crafting you do like that. This is Woodland Wonders postcard set of 8. Again, you can use these in your journals. You can use them in your scrapbooking. You could send them as postcards. Oh, that might be fun. I'm having the girls for a long weekend, like 4 or 5 days this weekend coming up. So if I disappear, that's where I am. That might be fun to let them write some postcards to their friends. Oh, they are like magazine, you know, magazine type glossy paper. So be sure you don't try and use a felt tip on this. Use a regular pen on that. That is what they look like together. We have, thank you, you are the best. Okay, that might not be perfect for a kid to send their friend. You are wonderful. You are loved. Truly grateful for you. And then, oh, we're repeating. So we have 4 cards, 2 of each. That is kind of fun. I am the type of person that does like to drop a little something something in the mail, so it's perfect for me. I also love that the envelope, ooh, dropping them, the envelope that they came in, not that it's relevant, is a nice vellum envelope. I love vellum. And then last we have our journal and our pen. Our pen, oh, I love it because it's got like a silicone handle that makes it so much easier to use. It's just a nice gray one. Gold top, very pretty. And oh, we don't have 1 journal, we have I think 3. We will get these out of here. That is what they look like. I love the mushrooms on that first one. I like the little ones because I use books for so many things. I use them for meal planning. I use them for writing down, like, I'm doing kind of a paleo thing now, so I'm keeping track every day of what I eat. And then in the morning, I'm weighing in just to see how I'm doing day over day. Wow, am I sensitive to sodium? That's what I have discovered. I kind of knew that, but it's gotten worse apparently. So these are just small journals, and the beauty of these is you finish them. You can move on to a fun new one. I use all of my big ones and I finish them eventually, but I do love the idea of moving on to a new fresh one quicker. It's just nice lined. I love the feel of them. They kind of almost moleskin feeling, but not. That is what they look like. This is the journal junk sack. And like I said, it is the smaller version of the journal junk box. Let me show you the journal junk box. The journal junk box is bigger, We get it in this nice big box. It is $52.99 per month. Again, if you take it out over 6 or 12 months, you can bring it down to $44.99 per month. When we open it up, we have our paperwork, which is our card. And I'll show you our little affirmation card that we also get. That is what the inside looks like. So these are our goodies. Can't wait to see what it is. Our affirmation card says, I am a beacon of light, inspiring others with my kindness and compassion. So those are fun to use like bookmarks or however you would like. You just put it up on the fridge and change it out each month, whatever makes you happy. And then again, we have our Woodland Wonders March with our journal prompts. Are they different? Let's see. Yes. So if you get both, which you can get both, and you save even a little more money, you will have different prompts. Like this first one says, list 3 things the quiet of the forest teaches you about peace in your own life. Well, that's way too deep. Nope. All right, first out we have cards. I think just note cards. Blank notes with envelopes. Look how pretty those are. There are 12. It is a set of 12. That is a lot. Most times note cards come in a pack of 8, so that is fantastic. Next out we have Bo Bunny Braden Washi Sticker Pad. 50 pieces. That is what that looks like. The back says perfect for layering and adding flair to scrapbooking, card making, journaling, art projects. Are they stickers? It said stickers, right? I'm not sure how they're stickers. That is what the first one looks like. I think they're all different. Just show you several of them. And you would just use these again in your journaling, your scrapbooking, your card making. Sticker pad. I don't see how they're stickers. I don't know. It definitely says sticker pad, but it looks to me like it's just pieces of paper. We'll go into that further. Oh, next up we have some clips. 4 clothespins, and they have adorable pictures attached. So you can use these in your journaling. If I am doing my meal planning for the week, I like to use them to mark places in my cookbook that I want to go back to. They're just super fun to find things to do with. So cute. Oh, next up we have, it looks like some decor. It is a plaque, it is a wood plaque, and it says, the rainbow of positivity. Negative thoughts will not win. Validate how you feel. Know you're doing great. Good vibes. That is what that looks like. Ooh, next up we have a pencil pouch. This says Primitives by Kathy. They're in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Pencil pouch leaf design. I like how it's in the middle and you can boop, open it right up. The inside is brown. This is a very canvas feel. It's a very nice zipper. And it has a little hook. If you had something you could hook it onto. Next we have, ooh, pretty foiled, they call them enamels, sticky picks. And they are beautiful stickers of butterflies. Those are so pretty. And then we have our pen, which is just like the other one, but in just a creamy white with the gold on top. This is probably, by my way of thinking, a little better for spring. And it matches, let me get the other one out. It goes with it, but it is different. So now I have, look, they got, it's just, nope, hang tight. Look, they kind of match. This one is the coil bound. I love these because they can lay flat. These are some of my favorite ones to keep recipes in or something that I know I'm going to be writing in a lot because it will lay flat nicely. It is just lined paper. That was the journal junk box. Let's get into the kids creative. Just for the record, threw this one together and that's what it looks like. Now we have the kids creative journaling box. This always gets such a positive response from you guys. People are like, is it okay that I like the kids box even better? Yeah, I often love the kids box. There's always fun things in here that I can do with the grand. There are items that I pilfer for myself. I know I'm an adult. I know I should share all the kitty stuff, but there are items that I want for myself. But this is all about helping your kids get into journaling and expressing their feelings. They have their, ooh, doodle desserts. And doodle desserts is our March theme. That's a little, don't peek. That's a little bit about everything that'll be inside the box. And it says, Creative Kids Write. That is the box. Packing peanuts in this one. Right on top, we have the most adorable pen. It's a taco pen. And it's pink and it's blue and it is perfection. See, this is what I mean when I say I steal things for myself. How adorable is that? He is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have our pen. We have limited to glitter gel crayons. I think last month, or last month, we got limited to puffy paints. So this is a perfect go with. I have the girls for an extended stay, so I'm sure we can find something super fun to do with that. We have an erasers, 3D erasers value pack. It is ice creams and cupcakes and donuts, but they're erasers. So cute. The girls are gonna love those. Next out, it's called So Cute. It's a little project. It is a 4.5-inch tall donut that they're gonna sew. And it comes with batting and everything. So they can make their own little stuffed donut and then attach it to their backpack or wherever they wanna put it. I'm looking at the back and the needle does look a little bit sharp, but it is plastic. What's the age on this? 8 and up. This is super cute, so one of the girls can do that. I keep lots of projects around. Next up, we have, ice cream stackable highlighters. How stinking cute is that? Okay, let's get into this. So how is it where you are? Yesterday, it was like 50 degrees. Today, we're getting closer to 70. By this weekend, I think we're supposed to be like 78. I am so excited. So fun. All right, so when we pull it off, look, the pink one. How cute is that? Let's see. Go ahead and take one of these. Just right up here at the corner. Ooh. Can you guys see that? It is a nice bright pink. That was very easy. You know what? This is one of those things where I think it's really clever for the kids, but what a great way to keep different highlighter options available. So you pull off the cone to get the purple at the bottom. That is so fun. We have purple, pink, yellow, blue, and green, which they make look like, no, they don't smell. Mint chocolate chip. I wondered if they were also scented. Next out, we have our stickers. They're little square stickers. We go together. Oh, and it's bacon and eggs. How fun is that? Besties, and it's a hamburger and french fries. Oh, these are so cute. Forever Friends, cookies and milk, like peanut butter and jelly. Those are so fun for kids to share. So fun. And last out, we have our journal for this. Perfect for kids and nanas alike. How cute is that with cupcakes and ice cream and macaron, lollipops. It is a paperback and a great size for, great size for kids. And on the inside, it says notes. This one is notes. This one is sketch. And then when we turn the page, we have imagine and then notes, and it repeats. That is fun. Sketch, imagine. What a fun idea for kids. What a perfect fun idea for kids. So I put this one together too. That is the Kids Creative Writing Journal box. So fun for them. A little crafting, some journaling, cute highlighters, erasers, glitter gel pens, stickers. So much fun. I will put the journal junk information down below with a link so you can click over and check it out. With code KatherineLove, you will get 15% off your first box. This is sent to me for review, and I want to thank them for sending it over. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you taking the time. I know there's a million places you could go on YouTube, but I appreciate you coming over and spending this time with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Go out and have some fun in the sunlight. I hope you have sunlight. Take care. Bye, guys.